faculty members who are in yellow shirt, and some of our student leaders who can be of help to you. To all of you, thank you for being here. Welcome, and I hope you enjoy the day's activities, and thank you for sharing this special event with us.
Thank you, ma'am. Also, for the response from Vice Moriones, maybe call on our president, Amor Mia Teres M. Mendoza.
Hello, good morning everyone. Ma'am Mercader, we are likewise grateful and honored that Quezon Rojas High School has welcomed and accommodated us without any hesitation so that this event will be possible. So let's again give a round of applause for the Quezon Rojas High School for having us here today. On behalf of the University of the Philippines, Moriones, I would like to extend my sincerest thanks and gratitude to the following for rendering us their moral support, encouragement, as well as financial assistance so that the 2010 Tagisan ng Isip at Tagisan ng Likha will be a success. First of all, let us thank Dr. Teresita S. Bacudo, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent of Marinduque, the Division of Marinduque Supervisors and Staff, Principals, Coaches, and students of participating schools. Of course, Quezon Rojas High School, our host for this year, their principal, Mrs. Berhiga M. Mercader, faculty members, students, and administrative staff. Our line of sponsors and donors, the local government of Mugpog, Marinduque, Honorable Senen M. Libelo Jr., the municipal mayor and his staff, members of the Board of Judges. We will have them in a while. They are Mr. Geraldine R. Querubin, Mr. Cristina Josefina, Ate Nina Pestintan, and the Director General of this year's Tagisitan Tagika, Mr. Francis L. Nunez. I would also like to thank our dear UP Moriones advisor, who is unfortunately not here with us today, Dr. Maria Ines Rosana Balangueta Riela. And last but not the least, my co-members in the University of the Philippines Moriones. Can we request them to stand up so that they will be recognized? Let's give them a big hand. Guests, ladies and gentlemen, a warm applause for all of them, and good morning to all of you who are here today. Alright. Ano ang tema natin ngayon? Tama. Okay. So, ano ba ang ibig tukuyin ng dekalidad na edukasyon? Yes? Yung sumagot? Maayos na edukasyon. Bakit hindi natin ihambing sa isang produkto? Di ba pag bumibili tayo ng isang produkto, gusto natin yung may mataas na uri, yung may pagmamalaki, matibay. So tulad na isang produktong may kalidad, nararapat lamang na tayong mga mag-aaral ay maghangad rin ng edukasyong hindi lamang magdudulot ng kaalaman para sa pansariling kapakanan. Bagkus ay magpayaman o mapagyaman ang palipunang kamalayan na magbibigay daan upang matugunan ang pagsubok na kinakaharap ng ating bayan. O diba? Ibang level. Kaya, dahil dyan, bakit hindi natin simulan sa ating sariling bayan? Ang bayan ng Marinduque. Ito ay magagawa lamang natin kung ating pagbubutihin ang ating pag-aaral at pagsusumikapang abutin ang ating mga pangarap. that is how it works, as both I and my colleagues in the University of the Philippines, Moriones, have experienced it during our college life. So, let me ask you, who among you had the chance to watch the most viewed video of Professor Monsod's lecture in YouTube? Nabalitaan niyo ba yun? Last lecture ni Professor Monsod? The pursuit of quality education does not end with excellence, but also requires honor. Honor. This does not only pertain to the honors which we receive every period of the school year. Rather, it is the totality of the values and the character of a person. The dignity and integrity that we acquire along with competence. In fact, Monsod stressed there, and I quote, "Honor first before excellence." And that is precisely the motto of the University of the Philippines. Honor and excellence. Honor first before excellence, not excellence before honor. The UP Moriones, through the Tag-Isipan Tagika, has been exerting efforts to share to you, our fellow Marituqueños, the experiences that we have earned in our stay in the university. There may be ups and downs, but definitely in every cloud, there is a silver lining. And that is what drives us to be stronger and become the persons who now stand before you. Thus, I am proud and honored to say that the organization has been of service for the past 18 years. Ayan, iba niyo yung aming t-shirt. 18 years na ang UP Moriones. And so on this note, we challenge you. Make the most of this close encounter with the survivors. The journey in the University of the Philippines or in any other university or college will surely not be easy if you truly desire quality education. Rest assured that UP Moriones is committed to assist you being your elder brothers and sisters. However, we can only open the doors for you. Your teachers can only open the doors for you. But you, each one of you, must enter by yourselves. With that, I thank you all for coming here, and God bless us all. Good morning, everyone.
So, ayun. So, tayo na para ipakilala ng kayo. Pero before that, papakilala ko muna yung org. So, at saka yung members. Kami ang UP Moriones, University of the Philippines Moriones. Sa organization, composed of Marituqueños na nakabase sa UP Diliman. And, ayun, so isa siyang venue for Marituqueños sa Diliman. Kasi, sa laki ng Diliman, mahirap magkakitaan. So, parang mas maganda kung may isang venue, isang common venue for a group of people. Ayan, so mas napapadali communications. And then, ayan, with a common goal, and ayan, so activities, parang ganito. And then, aside pa dito, marami pang activities sa UP Moriones. Ayan, so sa mga future students na makakapasok sa UP, ngayon pala, ini-invite ko na ngayon Jumon sa UP Moriones. Ayan. So, pakilala ko na yung members. Una nila kilala. Sino una nila kilala? Oo, tama. Tapos, sino? Si Amor. Ayan. Si Ate Amor. Ayan, papakilala ko yung isa-isa ha. So, ayan. Pag-circle ko.